Whenever saving increases, a third essential effect, called the Ricardo effect, appears. This is the effect the increase in saving exerts on real wages. What happens if we suddenly decide to save more and therefore to consume less? What happens to the price of consumer goods? Does it tend to rise or to fall? It tends to fall. 1/4 of all consumer goods are left unsold. So the price of consumer goods falls because we demand less consumption, since we have decided to save more. And what if our wages remain the same, and yet consumer goods are priced lower and lower? That is, if in nominal terms we are paid the same quantity of euros each month, and yet bread, food, clothing and recreation, etc., cost us less and less. Something very similar is happening right now. What happens to real wages if we earn the same amount and what we buy costs less and less? Well, real wages rise. In other words, the increase in saving pushes up real wages. And if real wages go up, that is an essential sign which communicates to entrepreneurs in all stages that at the margin they should replace workers with capital equipment, since the cost of hiring workers has gone up. Now, labor is more expensive in relative terms, because people are saving more. And it is more expensive in real terms because the prices of consumer goods have dropped. Therefore, at the margin, I must replace one worker with capital equipment. Suppose I was going to hire 3 workers. Well, I do not hire them. Or I buy a computer and hire only 1 worker. Or I lay off 4 workers and buy a tractor. Because with 1 worker and a tractor, I can do the same amount of work I was doing before with 4 employees. And so on. So, imagine, many workers at the margin are laid off. But who produces the new tractor? The new computer? Or the specific capital equipment which companies purchase to replace workers? Precisely the workers who have been laid off.